Welcome to another 2-minute or less mini-series. I did another video about improving gut health for autistic individuals, so stick around to find out about another way to improve gut health if you still haven't seen enough improvements with just probiotics. It is said that bovine colostrum powder helps improve ASD behavioral symptoms, and more significantly than probiotics could in this article I found on PubMed. Quote, this result convinces that the overall balance of intestinal microecosystem is more important than the change of a single strain. The improvements claim to be repairing gut permeability, in other words, repairs leaky gut. And how repairing leaky gut is important is that it plays a huge role in the health of our immune system. In one of the studies, they used 500 milligrams of bovine colostrum after 20 days of supplementation. The participants' gut health went from poor gut health to normal or much better than the baseline that they started with. How it improves gut health is that it includes, quote, participation in restoring the composition of the intestinal microbiome and support of the healing of damaged mucosa. As it's considered a safe and natural supplementation, it's something you might want to try. This concludes our 2-minute or less mini-series.